Hi guys, this is the water feature wall outside for this water feature, and these tiles came off during the last heavy rains. And see, you can see that. And calling the trade person for this small job, it's very costly and nobody has time. So in this video I will show you how easily you can fix those tiles. So these are just the 5 tiles which came off during this heavy rain, so I will be fixing that. So luckily none of the tile is broken, so I can put it back, so that's a good thing. But these are, I need to take off these one first of all, so that after that I am able to paste the tile back on the wall. So that is my job. Please keep watching. It will be a good experience. So I am removing that. As you can see, the cement patches are all removed, so my base is all clear now. I can put up the tiles again. So I will be using this liquid nail plus this gun. This is my tile. I am just putting this is my liquid nail. Something in the middle also. So this is all done. So maybe I just need to spread that to the corners. So this is the job done, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and share this video. Thank you.